Today, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Zapier quickly and easily. If you created your account a while ago and want to update your first name, last name, or profile name, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. It only takes a minute, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside Zapier to make the change. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier website, make sure you're signed into the correct account. This is important because if you have more than one Zapier account, you want to be editing the name on the one you actually use. After you're logged in, look for your profile icon in the top area of the screen and click on it. This opens up your account options and gives you access to your personal settings. From the profile menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Zapier account, where you can manage account details and profile information. Now, inside Settings, click on My Profile. This is the section where Zapier stores your personal account information, including your name and email details. Once you're on the profile page, scroll down until you find the first name field. Depending on how your account is set up, you may also see your last name nearby. Take your time here and locate the exact field you want to change. Click inside the first name field and type in the new name you want to use. Then move to the last name field and update that as well if needed. Make sure everything is spelled correctly before saving, because this is the name that will show on your account details. After you've made your changes, click Save Changes. Zapier may ask you to confirm or refresh the page, so wait for the update to go through before moving on. Once the page reloads, your new name should now be saved in your Zapier profile. You can always come back to this same section later if you need to update it again. And that's it. That's how to change your name in Zapier. Super simple, super fast, and now you know exactly where to find the setting. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, tips, and quick software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.